Guys, yung mga ibon, maingay. Dahil gusto na nila pabuksan yung kanilang cage. Ang oras po natin ay yan. Nag-iingay sila. Puntahan natin. Tumigil naman. Narinig yata nila ako. Nakita ako ni Ore kaya tumigil na sila. Tingnan ko. Ash. Here. What's wrong? Very noisy, ah? I will not let you open. Hala. You want out? You want outside? Ayali, Bluey? You want outside? You want outside? Tell me. You want outside? Do you want to go out? Tatanggalin natin. You want to go out? No, I don't want. Bye! Yan, tingnan natin kung mag-iingay. Ayaw pa rin mag-ingay eh. Ayeli, Bluey, you want outside? Tell me. Tell me. You want outside? You want outside? Make a noise. Yalla. Tell me. You want outside? Tell me. You want outside? Ayan na. Nababagot na. Pinaglololoko ko kasi. You want outside, Jelly? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Outside? You want outside? Oh, I open her. Oh. You want outside? Tell me. Ano, gusto pang lumabas? You wanna out? Outside? Yelly? Come. Come. Oh, Bluey, come. Come. Oh, bye.